channel Grishma Vlogs. This is Grishma. Hope you all doing well. I am also very good. And today I am going to do a video regarding the job opportunities for the agriculture graduates. I already made 2 videos regarding this topic. Those are part 1 and 2. This is a part 3 and today we will be going to discuss some more job opportunities for the agriculture students. Now we will be going into the video. The first job is FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Under this FSSAI, there are many posts, but now we will be discussing about the agriculture related posts under this FSSAI. There are 2 posts. They are Technical Officer and Central Food Safety Officer. These 2 posts are related for the agriculture students. And the very good news for all the agriculture students is this FSSAI notification has released. The online application starts from 13th October to 12th November. All the agriculture students who had passed out can apply for this exam. The age limit for this exam is 30 years for both the posts. And if we discuss about the exam pattern for both the Technical Officer and Central Food Safety Officer, both has same exam pattern and same syllabus. The exam pattern is both are computer based tests. There are 2 stages in both the exams, stage 1 and stage 2. And there is no interview for this exam. If we discuss about the vacancies regarding this technical officer, the technical officer has 125 vacancies and the Central Food Safety Officer has 37 vacancies. Now we will be discussing about the exam pattern. The exam is in the objective type. There are 100 questions. One question is of 4 marks, that is of 400 marks, and the time is of about 120 minutes for 100 questions. And there is a negative marking of 1 mark for each wrong answer. I will be giving the link in the description regarding this official notification of FSSAI. You can visit that link for the more information regarding this notification. That's it about the first notification, that is FSSAI. Now we'll be discussing regarding the second notification, that is Central Warehouse Corporation. Under this Central Warehouse Corporation, the post name is Junior Technical Assistant. The age limit for this post is 28 years. The education qualification for this Junior Technical Assistant is BSc in Agriculture. Now we will be discussing the exam pattern. There is only the single exam. There are of 200 questions, 200 marks and 150 minutes. And if we discuss about the syllabus, there is of reasoning and computer aptitude of 40 marks, 40 questions and 35 minutes. English 35 questions, 35 marks and 20 minutes. General awareness 20 questions, 20 marks and 10 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, interpretation, data analysis 40 questions, 40 marks and 35 minutes. And later the professional knowledge, that is of the basic agriculture, botany, zoology, physics and chemistry 65 questions, 65 marks and 50 minutes. Total 200 questions, 200 marks and 150 minutes. And the negative marking is of 1/4 mark. There is no interview for this exam. Working knowledge in computer will be an added advantage for this post. This is all about the Central Warehouse Corporation, the Junior Technical Assistant post, and I will be giving each and every link in the description regarding these notifications. You can go there and check out for more details regarding this exam. Now we will be discussing the third notification, that is Cotton Corporation of India. Under this Cotton Corporation of India, we will be getting 2 notifications. Those are Junior Commercial Executive and Junior Assistant General. For these 2 notifications, the age limit is of 27 years and the education qualification for these 2 notifications is BSc in Agriculture. And if we discuss about the exam pattern, there is only single exam of 120 questions, 120 marks and 120 minutes. And the syllabus is of reasoning 10 questions, 10 marks, quantitative aptitude 10 questions, 10 marks, English 10 questions, 10 marks, general knowledge 10 questions, 10 marks, language proficiency 20 questions, 20 marks. And later the agriculture syllabus, that is the 60 questions, 60 marks. Total 120 questions, 120 marks and 120 minutes. And there is a negative marking of 1/4 mark. And there is no interview in this exam. Cotton production is a desirable knowledge in this notification. This is about the Cotton Corporation of India. I will be giving the link of the website or the previous notification regarding this exam, so that you will be getting to know the more information and the detailed information about these notifications. So please visit those websites after seeing this video. And the exam pattern which we discuss now under this Cotton Corporation of India will be same for both Junior Commercial Executive and Junior Assistant General. The exam pattern is same for both and the syllabus is also same for both exams. And if we discuss about the pay scale is also same for both the notifications, that is 22,000 to 90,000. And now we will be discussing about the fourth notification, that is UPSC IFS. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission and IFS means Indian Forest Services. The education qualification for this UPSC IFS is BSc Agriculture, Forestry, Animal Husbandry and etc. The age limit for this IFS is 21 to 32 years. And if we discuss about the pattern, there are 3 stages under this IFS: prelims, mains and interview. If we discuss about the prelims has 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is general studies, that is of 200 marks and 120 minutes. And the paper 2 is CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test, 200 marks, 120 minutes, and the negative marking is of 1/4 mark. And if we discuss about the mains, paper under this IFS, mains has 6 papers in the descriptive way of 1400 marks. Paper 1 is general knowledge, 300 marks and 180 minutes, and paper 2 is general English, 300 marks, 180 minutes. And we have to select 2 optional subjects, that is like agriculture, engineering, animal husbandry, forestry. The subjects which are related to our professional knowledge, we have to select 2 subjects. In the 2 subjects, from each subject we will be getting 2 papers. The paper 3 will be the first optional subject paper 1, and paper 4 will be the first optional subject paper 2, and the paper 5 will be the second optional subject paper 1, and paper 6 will be the second optional subject paper 2. Each optional subject will be getting 2 papers. We have to select 2 optional subjects, and each optional subject will be of 200 marks and 180 minutes. Total 1400 marks and 180 minutes of each paper. This is a pattern for the mains, and later we will be promoting to the interview, that is of 300 marks. This is about the UPSC IFS notification, and I will be giving the link in the description. You can go and visit the website for more information regarding this notification. And I have covered 4 notifications in this video, that is FSSAI, Central Warehouse Corporation of India, Cotton Corporation of India, and UPSC IFS. These 4 notifications are also very important notifications for the agriculture students. I hope this video will be very helpful for all the agriculture students. If you have any doubts regarding these notifications, please comment down in the comment box. I will be giving reply for each and every comment. And I want to mention one thing, those who already subscribed to my channel and supporting me in these videos, I am very thankful to them. And those who are watching this video and not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. That will be very motivational to me if you subscribe my channel and like my videos. That will help me to do more videos in further. And please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.